Hello friends and welcome to day 3. I hope that you are ready for today, that your workstations are neat, that you had a good healthy breakfast and that you are ready for today's lessons. This is day 3 of mathematics. Today we are going on a trip. The school buses are already arriving. Will you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, friends. Let's double check to make sure that we counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, friends. 5 school buses. But wait, they are already on their way. Can you help me count backwards from 5 as they drive away? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. 0 buses left. Here they are again on the road. Let's count them again, but this time we are going to put numbers with. Can you still recognize these numbers? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 school buses. Let's count them backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. 0 buses left. Well done, friends. Let's count them again just to make double sure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, friends. Super work. Take a breath, take a sip of water, and let's get ready for the next session. Can you remember the difference between more and less? This is something that we practice every day. The buses are parking. Let's see how they park. Be careful, some of them are driving really fast. There we go. It seems that all of the buses have parked. Which parking lot has more buses? Well done. This side. This side has more buses than the other side. This side has 3 buses and the other side has 2 buses. Good job, friends. You are doing really well. Number symbols. Can you still remember this number symbol? Yes, it's the number 1. Can you remember this number symbol? Yes, it's the number 2. The last one. I'm sure you can remember this number. Yes, it's the number 3. 1, 2, 3. For the next activity, you are going to use your clay. Make sure your workspace is neat and clean. Do you recognize this number? Yes, it's the number 4. What does 4 look like? Let's see. Here is a sunflower. Let's count 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sunflowers. Say it with me. 4 sunflowers. This is 4 fingers. Say it with me. 4 fingers. Can you show 4 fingers on your hand? This is 1 balloon. Let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 balloons. Say it with me. 4 balloons. Number names and symbols. For this activity, you are going to use your clay again. Can you still remember this number names and symbols? The first one is the number 1. Can you still remember how to write its number name? 1. 1. Say it with me. 1. Pause the video and build the number 1 and the number name 1 with your clay. The next one is number 2. Can you still remember how to make the number name 2? 2. Say it with me. 2. Pause the video and make the number symbol 2 and the number name 2 with your clay. Can you still remember the number rhyme for the number 1 and how to write it? If you can, say it with me. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line down that is very thick. Well done. Number 1 is like a stick, straight line down that is very thick. Can you still remember the number rhyme for the number 2? Around and back on the railroad track, toot 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 toot. Around and back the railroad track, toot 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 toot. It's very important to remember where you must start with the numbers and not to lift your hand. Practice this in the sand outside, or you can build it with clay and figure it with your finger. Now it's story time. Listen carefully. Mom eats 2 cookies and Dad eats 1 cookie. How many cookies did Mom and Dad eat all together? Now we must count Mom's cookies and Dad's cookies all together. But first, let's start with Mom's cookies. How many cookies did she eat? Yes, 2. Let's count 2. 1, 2. How many cookies did Dad eat? Only 1. 1. How many cookies did Mom and Dad eat all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 cookies all together. Well done, friends. That means 2 cookies and 1 cookie together makes 3 cookies. Here's another one. Mom has 3 sweets. She shares it equally between 3 friends. How many sweets does each one get? Let's start with the 3 sweets. Let's also call the 3 friends. Now, Mom shares it equally. What does it mean to share equally? To give the same amount for everyone. Let's start sharing. 1 for this friend, One for this friend and one for this friend. How many sweets does each friend get? Well done, friends. One. This friend has one. This friend has one. And this one also has one sweet. Mom shared the sweets equally. Number bonds of 3. Can you still remember Mrs. Dot and her yellow house? Let's see. She now goes to house number 3. Let's quickly see how many dots can live on a floor. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, in a house there can only live 3 people in 2 rooms on one floor. So on one floor there are 2 rooms and there can only sleep 3 people. Let's look at the first floor. In the one room, how many dots are living in the one room? Well done. 1. Let's draw our dot. So how many dots must live in the other room? Let's move the other dots to the other room. How many dots are in the other room? Well done, friends. 2. That means that 1 and 2 are friends and pairs up to make 3. 1 dot and 2 dots make 3 dots. Let's try the next one. How many dots live in one room on this floor? Yes, 2. Let's put our dots in their rooms. And remember, there can only be 3 dots on a floor. 1, 2. There's the 2 dots in their room. How many dots are left to put in the other room? Yes, 1. Let's put the dot in the other room. 1 dot. 2 and 1 are friends and pairs to make 3. 2 dots and 1 dot makes 3 dots. Well done, friends. Let's go to the next floor. In the first room, there are already 3 dots living in the first room. And there can only live 3 dots on the floor. So let's quickly put the dots in their room. 1, 2, 3. The 3 dots are living in their room. How many dots are left to put in the other room? Are there any dots left? No. Therefore, 0 dots can live in the other room. 0 and 3 are pairs and friends to make 3. 3 dots and 0 dots make 3 dots. It is still 3 dots because I did not add anything because I already have 3 dots. Let's move on to the next one. In the one room, there's no dots living in the one room. So how many dots must I put in the other room to make 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 dots living in the other room. Therefore 0 and 3 make 3. 0 and 3 are pairs and friends to make 3. Time: morning, afternoon and evening. What do you do in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening? Let's see. This is our morning, this is our afternoon, and this is our evening. In the mornings, people routines are different. This is just an example. In the mornings, we wake up, We take a shower to be healthy and clean. We have a very, very good and healthy breakfast. We brush our teeth and we go to school. During school and in the afternoon, we learn a lot of new things at school. We read books and we write. We have lunch, healthy lunch that mommy packs in. And we play with our friends. After that, we go home. And then we do our homework. We watch a little television if mommy or daddy gives permission. We have a healthy dinner as a family. We take a bath and we have a good night's rest early to be fresh the next morning. What do you do in the mornings, during the day, and in the night time? Discuss it with an adult. Pause the video. Days of the week. Can you still remember the days of the week? Say them with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How many days are there in a week? Well done. 7. Let's say the days of the week again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Well done, friends. Months of the year. Can you still remember the months of the year? Say them with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done. How many months of the year can you count? There are 12 months in a year. Let's say them again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Can you say which month is your birthday? Now it's time to get your worksheet ready. Be sure to get day 3 ready. Make sure your pencil is sharpened. Make sure your workstation is neat. Knees together, toes together, and your back must touch the chair. Remember to hold your pencil in the correct way. You can write the date. Today is the 27th of the first month, 2021. The way that we write this date is because it's the mathematical date. It's the 27th day of the first month, which is January, of the year 2021. With an adult, count from 0 to 5 and backwards. Pause the video and do the activity. Cut out the picture pairs from the attached page and paste them in the correct block. The page that looks like this, which is also in your pocket with the week's worksheets. For this activity, you will need your scissors and your glue. I'm going to do the first one with you. At the dogs. Which one has more dogs? This side or this side? Well done. This side has more dogs. That means that the one with the 3 dogs I'm going to paste in the more column. And the one with 2 dogs, which is less, I'm going to paste in the less column. Pause the video and do this with the rest of your leaflets. Remember to hold your scissor correctly and handle it in a safe way. And also remember to close your glue so that it won't dry out. The next page. Trace the number 2 and number 1 and complete the pattern. Trace the number name 1 and 2. Complete the word sums by drawing pictures. Mom has 2 ice creams and Dad has 1 ice cream. How many ice creams do they have all together? Draw your pictures and remember, start small. Start by drawing Mom's ice creams and then Dad's ice cream and then count them all together. Granny has 3 cars. She gives it to 3 children. How many does each boy get? Remember to start with the 3 cars and share them equally between 3 children. Refer back to the video if you are struggling. Complete the number bond house. Can you still remember Mrs. Dot? Complete the number bond house. Practice naming the days of the week and the months of the year. Use sequencing language to order events in morning, afternoon, and evening. With an adult, you are going to discuss in the mornings, for example, eat breakfast. I wake up. I go to school. Well done, friends. Now I want you to take a break, go drink some water, and be fresh for the next video. Bye.